It's a Dan Marino. How much are your paperweights? Love the Toys R Us sticker still on it. Alice in Chains, huh? 2010 tour. Do you have any other stuff you didn't put out yet? I'll make a little pile right here. Is that okay? Yeah. So someone can come up and grab it when I'm looking through the... How you doing today, man? How much are the marble bags?
It depends which ones. There's like a couple of duffel bags. There's a suitcase one.
What's the price range on them?
I'd say like 10 to 30.
10 30, okay. Oh, this is cool. Liberty Bowl. What do you have on that? 20. I thought I hit it big here. This is Beer Bryant, the coach from Alabama. This is from the Liberty Bowl in 1982. When I looked it up online, there was one listed for $250, but after further research, it was only selling for about 20 to 40 bucks, so I decided to pass on it.
Yeah, no worries.
What do you have on these?
Which one is it?
It's a Dan Marino.
Couple bucks.
How much?
Couple bucks.
Couple bucks. And these, the keychains?
Couple bucks.
What'd you do for the lot?
How many was there?
5 total.
5, 7 bucks.
Okay. 7 bucks. I want to get change, so thank you, man. I was a huge California Raisin fan growing up. I like to find these things. They're very nostalgic to me. They're really not really worth that much, but they're great for giveaways, great to run on auctions, so I always pick them up when I find them. How much you got on DMX?
DMX, 10.
10. Funko made a whole line of these rapper action figures. They're actually really cool, but they don't go for much. They usually go for between 10 and 20 bucks. So I decided to pass.
Yeah.
No.
These are on 60 years old or something.
Paperweights.
60, 70 years old. Yeah.
How much are your paperweights?
Different prices. Depend what you want, the design.
This one?
That one is 20.
20.
Yeah.
Johnny Lightning. You guys always see me pick up Disney pins in my videos. One thing I want you guys to keep in mind, if you go to the flea market and you see big boxes of them for 3 for 10 bucks, like this box right here, 9 out of 10 times they're going to be fake. People buy them off Amazon. They try to sell them in lots. These things sell between 15 and 20 bucks a piece, brand new at the parks, so don't be fooled. Oh, what are these?
Just pins.
Oh, these are interesting.
$1 piece.
Do you know what year they're from?
No.
Just
Just go ahead and take it.
do you mind if I look at it? Yeah. #1 fan. How much is your shirt? $10. There we go. Alice in Chains, huh? 2010 tour. Just steel. What do you do? 5 on the shirt?
No.
No. Okay. How much are these?
5 both.
5 of both of these. How much was this?
It's like it has a crack, $5. $3.
Oh, it has a crack in it?
Just like decoration.
All right, so you said 5 for the...
Yeah. Thank you, appreciate it.
Yep. How much are the figures here?
Different. But those guys, they're $1 a piece.
They're $1 a piece. Where are they from, do you know?
They're made by Urtel. That's right.
Not like 100.
Yeah.
What do you have on this?
10.
Cool. Love the Toys R Us sticker still on it.
Yeah.
That's just like.
Yeah, absolutely.
Toys R Us.
What was the other one? There was not Toys R Us, but
KB Toy Works.
KB Toy Works.
Yep.
I got a couple of those. Yeah.
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 This whole bin is filled with little vinyl DC figures and little metal DC figures. There's vintage stickers in here. There's a ton of stuff from the late 80s, early 90s. I'm hoping that he'll work a bundle deal with me and get these. These would be great to put on Dibbit in a live auction. Do a bundle deal if I did buy them all then?
Which ones? All these?
These and these, yeah, the ones I pulled out. Well, the one.
Yeah, they're 50 cents a piece.
50 cents a piece? Okay. Cool. Do you have a bag or something?
Yes, I do.
Nice, we can count them. 46, 47, 48. Just gotta find two more to make it a 49. And what else I want? Huh. No, 50. Cool.
Sounds good.
So 25 bucks.
Yep, I'll give you a big bag.
How much were your California raisins?
$4 for the kid.
Would you do 5 on the TV tray?
5 on the TV tray?
Yeah.
I'll do 5.
What's up? You okay? Perfect. The Toys R Us thing just yells at me. We're good to go. Thank you, sir.
Have a good one.
You too, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Is that the Undertaker? That's cool. Crocodile Hunter. Found these good.
I had some puzzles and the board game and action figurines. Someone bought it all.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What are these all here?
Earnhardt pins and I think there's little pictures and things.
Springsteen?
Yeah. I mean Springsteen. My stuff mixed
That's
up.
it. You get the you're looking at the NASCAR stuff, but you're talking about this. I totally get it. Don't worry about it. What do you have on this stuff? Are you selling a lot, or is it selling individually?
What if you want a whole lot? Individually is like 10 for $1, or you want the whole thing, like I don't know. $5.
Yeah, baby.
What are these?
Just little
The pop up like pictures and stuff.
Yeah, I collected everything I saw way back in the teens. Yeah, whichever you like.
Okay.
Full bag.
What are you asking for these?
$1. I have more.
Oh, you have more?
I have more.
Same things?
Same stuff in a whole box.
Do you have any more pins or any of this stuff? What is this?
Yeah, I don't think so.
What are these posters?
Springsteen. I think there's 2 John Cougar, and I think Magnum PI.
How much you asking on these?
I'm sorry?
How much
a
are they
dollar, $1 a piece.
$1 a piece? All right.
You can open them up if you like. Because I don't remember what some of them are. You can peek and see,
Yeah.
maybe some of them. You can tell.
Are these new?
I think I have. Just never opens. No, they're old.
Do you think these are Bruce Springsteen? If you remember, looks like his head.
Probably, yeah.
Looks like his head. For $1, it's a mystery box at this point in time. You know what? I'm not even gonna open it up. I'm just gonna buy it. So just roll the dice to see what happens. Do you have any other stuff you didn't put out yet? I'll make a little pile right here. Is that okay? Yeah. So someone can come up and grab it when I'm looking through the rest of the stuff.
No. And the magazines are in the car.
Oh, this is interesting.
Oh yeah, I used to belong to like a club thing. It's called Backstreets.
Yeah.
You get records and everything. I wish I'd brought my records.
Oh man.
I have room for them. I've got lots of collectibles.
Cars. What else you got there? And these are all these. What do you want? Can I see? Is it okay if I pull this down right here, ma'am?
Yeah, wherever's easier for you. Yeah.
If I just move this off this side.
That's pretty
No, I got it. It's not a big deal. Holy crap, it is heavy.
Books and magazines, specifically Springsteen.
I'd be interested in looking at them. Oh my gosh.
Everything's $1, or if you want to do like a bunch of them.
Yeah, you might put this over here and look through it. Yeah, maybe do a bundle deal or something. This is all.
That might be empty. Maybe that would be easier for you to carry.
Okay. Oh, I got a cart and stuff.
You got it.
So this is all Bruce Springsteen stuff, huh?
Yes.
All right. Do you have more? Or is this it?
Yes.
Well, let me grab these ones here too. So, then what do you want for both boxes and that there?
Wow, I wasn't prepared to think of a price. You can make an offer. I don't know where you think is fair.
I mean, you're asking $1 a piece, right? Is that what you're asking?
Yeah, but
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
there's like 100 things in there. I don't want to.
Yeah.
100.
Yeah.
I'll do like half price.
Let's just count 1, 2, 9, say 20. I think there's close to 20 in there. And then 23, 24, say 25 there. So trying to get so I can see.
Yeah, go ahead. This box is probably on its way out, so if you want to rip it. Unless you
Yeah, I don't want
use
to.
it.
Yeah, I might want to use it. So I don't want to rip.
I have tea.
Yeah, you're good.
No. No calendars.
Yeah, calendars.
Anything you want to take out.
No, I'll buy it all. A stack of magazines here. Say $50 for it all.
Sounds good to me. Sold.
Sold.
All right.
Thank you. This is cool. This is like a weird, cool thing to go through. Do you have a lot more of his stuff, or just pretty much?
That's it. I brought everything.
Oh, you got everything.
Yeah, I brought everything.
What made you finally ready to move on then from it?
It was just my teenager years. I
Yeah.
did it.
I could tell you were a super fan, huh?
Everything.
That's
Everything
awesome.
I saw, yeah.
This is interesting. So, well, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Well, thank you.
Good thing I brought a cart today.
Yes, sir.
Do you? I see you have a bunch of NASCAR stuff. What kind of? Do you guys have more NASCAR stuff?
Oh,
Oh, these are things.
there you go. You want to take those?
Sure. Joey, any extra then for those? Okay. Well,
More than
thank
I
you.
expected to get. So.
Okay. Oh man, so I should offer let now. It's a fair deal. It was a fair deal. So.
Some Springsteen. I think there's 2 John Mellencamp and what was the other one? Tom Selleck.
Tom Selleck.
80s. This is an 80s teenager stuff.
What do you?
so much.
What do you?
You're welcome.
What do you have in your cars?
I was going to do the larger die cast. I was going to do like $3, and all the maybe like the medium-sized ones $2, and all the little 164s $1.
Okay, so these are $3. These ones.
Yeah.
Do you have more of these?
164s and the middle size, where that is. And then here's the other ones.
A lot of people think the NASCAR die-cast cars have been overproduced, which is somewhat true, but there are certain drivers that do really well, like Dale Earnhardt is one of them. Anytime I find them out in the wild, if I can get them for between like $2-3 a piece, we always do really well on them. So I'm going to go through these and see what I can potentially find here. Debating, do I want to buy them all?
Uh-oh. Yeah, how much
1,
is
2,
select
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. would be what? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is cool. How much is this guy? $3.
Hold on to her.
You got 21 total.
Okay.
Do 50 for the 21?
Sure.
There you go. Man, I just lightened your load tremendously today.
This is our goal.
I was able to put most of it in this box here, so
Okay, perfect.
just these last few
Anything
pieces.
that works for you. I got a
Yeah,
bag,
perfect.
so-
That's it. Then I make multiple trips
Okay.
today. Lucky I'm parked right over there, so.
Thanks so much.
Yep, thank you. Love it, Santa. You're looking good today, buddy.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh. It was such a cool piece. They wanted $8 for it. They were only selling between like 15 and 20 bucks on eBay, so I decided to pass. Only at flea markets you can find the weirdest things. This guy takes liquor bottles and beer bottles and converts them into lamps. I mean, you find the weirdest stuff at the flea market. This is why I love going so much. I absolutely love going to the flea market. It's reasons like this. Where else am I going to find an entire collection of Bruce Springsteen items from the 80s? There's brand new calendars, books in there. There's fan club magazines. There's photos from the 80s, like all kind of like the weirdest, oddest things. Yet, this is the type of stuff you come across at flea markets. Like, this is why I keep going back. The flea market literally is a treasure hunt. Every time I go there, it's why I love going. I'm going to have a lot of fun going through this stuff. I thought $50 was a great deal. That's less than 50 cents an item because that bag had a full of pins and keychains and other things. So I am completely fine with that. I'm assuming we'll probably make a couple $100 off that lot. I didn't look anything up, but I mean, those calendars were from the 80s, brand new. We should get 15, 20 bucks a piece probably for those. A lot of those books and ephemera will probably put in giant lots together and just lot them up and sell it off that way. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. We are coming to the end of the year right now, so I look forward to seeing what the new year brings each and every one of you. I hope you guys are safe tonight. Have a happy new year. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.